Hi, my name is Kasper and I work as an engineer here at MTS Technik. In this video, I will present you the coilover suspension kit designed for Volkswagen Auto Group's PQ34 platform-based vehicles with front-wheel drive. This kit is available in three variants: street, stance and comfort. They differ in spring stiffness and spring type. The front axle kit is equipped with two threaded shock absorbers finished in a gold zinc plating, both featuring the hexacoil adjustment nut. Hexacoils, thanks to the use of a clamping screw, significantly enhance the ease of adjusting your suspension height. The front and rear springs are produced by the German company eibach. Front springs are ERS-type springs with linear characteristics. Thanks to their internal diameter of 60 mm, they allow for easy replacements with springs of varying stiffness. The front kit also includes helper springs, which provide preload for the mainspring. In stance variant of this kit, the same applies for the rear springs, but in comfort and street variant, rear springs have a progressive characteristic, ensuring maximum comfort and excellent driving performance. The rear axle kit is equipped with sport shock absorbers with a shortened stroke, designed for lower suspensions with increased dampening force compared to the original ones. Moreover, our kit includes dedicated bump stops and dust covers for both front and rear axle, as well as black anodized aluminum spring caps for the front axle and black anodized aluminum height adjusters for the rear axle. In the package, besides our kit itself, you will also find an adjustment wrench, two MTS Technik stickers, and any necessary documentation such as installation manual and TÜV certificate. Thanks for watching.